Hello, my name is Javi, and I'd like to welcome you to our presentation in which we will describe a very interesting venture proposition that has gone through many different stages until finally reaching the ideal one. It goes by the name Be Audit. I think we have all felt the huge rise in electricity prices in Europe in the last couple of years, which has in turn translated into very expensive energy bills. My team and I have definitely felt it here in Barcelona, where there's a highly inefficient decentralized heating and cooling system running on fossil fuels. We were working on a district heating project with Vattenfall, learned about the benefits of a DHC network regarding energy efficiency and promoting renewable energies. So we thought about tackling both the rise in electricity prices and reducing fossil fuel consumption by means of implementing a modern DHC network here in Barcelona. However, from research and interviews, we learned that Barcelona is not the ideal place to implement this idea, mainly due to the difficulty of the city expanding geographically, the high cost of renovating existing old buildings and pipelines, and adding to that, two existing energy companies collaborating with the municipality already have the control of the market. Nevertheless, the issues I mentioned before still exist, so we thought of another way we could tackle them, and that is through residential energy efficiency. Do you know what percent of the energy you consume in your house goes to waste? 30. Imagine saving 30% of your electricity bill. At the same time, this would also reduce fossil fuel consumption, as energy would be required. In fact, only 40% of homes in Barcelona have an efficient energy certificate, out of which 84.5% have a low efficiency ratings of level E, F, or G. Slow efficiency is also directly observable in terms of thermal comfort, even experienced by all of our colleagues here in Barcelona. So, idea and focus more on energy consultancy, offering energy audits, optimal improvement suggestions, and direct contact with suppliers. Market size analysis showed promising results, around 172,000 potential clients, and confirmed thus the feasibility of this idea. Unfortunately, we learned that other energy consultancy companies performed energy audits for free to lure potential customers, and adding to that, the local municipality has several ongoing grant programs for energy efficiency reforms, completely diminishing our value proposition.
All these pushbacks, however, led us to realize that up till now we were offering our own ideas on what the best way was to solve the problem of both decarbonization and rising energy prices. What we actually needed to do was listen more closely to the real pains of the market. We did. After further interviews and validation rounds, it had become clear to us what the real roadblocks to increasing the energy efficiency in people's homes are. First off, finding the right information on energy efficiency and what solutions are possible is seen as a difficult and time-consuming task. Furthermore, the investment necessary is often quite high, and applying for the available funds provided by the municipality can be overwhelming and involves a lot of bureaucracy. To overcome this, we want to provide easily accessible information together with all the best energy efficiency solutions providers in one place at a competitive price. Furthermore, we want to remove bureaucracy and time-consuming aspects to financing the improvements. Finally, in this way, to fully streamline the process from A to B audit in one platform.
So, how do we actually manage to put all of this together in one place? Let me now show you the proposed product, the audit platform, that will bridge the information gap between house owners and potential service providers. Its proposed outlook was designed to ensure that it's easy to use on both sides. The most crucial advantage of the platform is the possibility to gather all the potential services in one place, providing simple energy efficiency improvements, performing holistic energy audits of the household, or even helping in filing the appropriate documents for municipality programs, targeted at partly financing the investment for the less privileged members of the society. The first step in using the platform will be filling in an application form where clients provide information about their homes, including what is the current energy certificate rating, which part of the house they want to have audited, or what is their approximate budget cap. This allows for a high level of personalization of the entire customer journey on our platform and better management of the relationships we have with the clients. The platform is also used for performing a bidding process, which is the main source of revenues for our company, and with the client and service provider signing a contract for the audit. Our relationship with the clients does not end here, though. The client will have a personal profile on the BAudit platform where they will be able to book online or in-person meetings with our consultants, access the progress reports from their audits, or change personal information. This will ensure that the entire process is well managed and trouble-free from beginning to end. All these features were also presented to our potential clients, who valued the intuitiveness and the simplicity of the interface, as well as easy access to all relevant information.
Now that you have an understanding of how our platform would work, I will show you what our roadmap looks like for the next 2 years, setting up our venture step by step. This month, we've already been hard at work to start setting up our venture. We've been working on administrative tasks such as setting up a bank account and obtaining the CIF. Besides that, we're in contact with important potential partners, like Gremi Dobres, which is an association of renovation service providers in Barcelona, which ensures the quality of the services performed. The other partner we're currently talking to is the municipality of Barcelona. We have also taken steps in the direction of the platform itself. We're looking for both a marketing employee and an expert website developer to help set up the platform. By the end of next month, we expect to have a working platform and marketing material for our advertising campaign, which will be launched at the start of July. We will advertise both online through various social media platforms and Google Ads, but we also want to physically promote BAudit on billboards throughout the city. Having created a strong base of partners, we will launch our platform mid-July. By October this year, we expect to have our first clients and continue to receive a steady stream of clients monthly. In May 2023, we will be joining the 23rd edition of the Feria Construmat in order to promote our venture and increase our partners and clients. As our venture is easily transferable to other locations, we will then start in July with doing market research regarding expansion possibilities. For the first part of this process, a market analyst will be hired. By September, we expect to have found an interesting expansion area, and 2 months later, we will have created a strong base of partners in this new area. As we are expanding and taking on more permanent employees, we want to find an office space by January 2024. Then, in April, we will once more increase our visibility among our possible and existing partners, joining a big Gremi conference held at that time. Finally, 2 years from now, May 2024, we will start a promotion campaign in the expansion area and launch an updated platform including both areas where BAudit is present. Looking to the future and beyond, we hope to further expand and help more people with the process of becoming more energy efficient and sustainable.
As for our stream of revenues, we looked into different possibilities, either charging a small commission on every project or charging companies a monthly fee being promoted on our webpage. However, from the validation interviews with companies, we learned that some disliked the idea of being charged a % commission due to the amount of money it could suppose, depending on the size of the project, of course, and also difficulties for signing the contract's conditions. While others were not interested in paying any monthly fees or a platform that cannot assure them more customers. So, a lot of thought was put into this feedback, and we eventually came up with an idea that gave us 2 different revenue streams. The mechanism is as follows. First, clients that want to find a provider for a specific reform or improvement and that will make use of our platform pay a fee of €20. Different categories based on the type of reform or technology specifications will be made accessible to provide clients with a more accurate match with the service provider. They will then have to describe what they want and some constraints, and also give some technical details specific to their needs. Contact and location data will also be required. Our platform will then send an alert email to our partner providers with a fee ranging from €20 to €100 depending on the size of the project. For 5 companies that pay this small fee receive the client's information, and within weeks, the companies will send a complete reform outline and budget for the proposed project. The clients then will be able to review all the plans and finally choose one that suits them best. The last stage of the matching process will be signing a contract between the client and the service provider. With this mechanism, everyone sort of wins. Clients pay a ridiculously small fee for obtaining 4 to 5 high quality and competitive proposals without losing their time or effort. Companies get confirmed clients by paying a small fee compared to the revenues they can make from the reform. And we collect around 200 to 250 euros per project. In addition, this charging system was validated by several construction companies like Coan, Celobert, Reproitec, and energy companies like Aiguasol.
Let's now look at how the costs, revenues, and total cash flows change over the 2 years of the idea development. To begin with, the relatively high initial costs associated with setting up the platform, the company, have to be paid in the first 2 months. The increase in costs in the second year is mostly due to the expansion plans and setting up an office for the team. Revenues from clients and companies start coming in October 2022, when the first offers are being made on the platform. In revenue values are expected to come around late summer of 2023 and in 2024, when clients will be planning renovations before winter and for the new year. Putting together the revenue streams and the costs of running the company results in the following cash flow for B-Audit. The company will be funded by the owners, investing a total amount of 6,000 euros in the first month, and by a bank loan taken in the month of July this year. The financial analysis shows that after 24 months, the net total profit of the company will be around 30,000 euros. To conclude, there are many energy efficiency-focused initiatives, companies, working in this sector in Barcelona. Simultaneously, many of its citizens find the energy inefficient housing, combined with the rising electricity prices, a serious problem. Most importantly, however, performing many interviews resulted in drawing the conclusion that the biggest problem to overcome is the lack of information about the possible ways to improve the heating solutions in apartments. The B-Audit platform is the link between these two, allowing for an easy matching of the client with the service provider in a user-friendly and trouble-free way. The proposed idea can be easily scaled up, allowing for expansion to other cities where similar problems may be found. The low entrance cost and a variety of proposed services makes it an attractive option and something beyond a regular audit.